Hello, welcome to Your Love Mystic. I'm Kathryn. This meditation is meant for when you only have a few minutes, but you want to use those 5 minutes and really have a potent yoga experience. Join me. Softly close your eyelids, bringing your hands to your knees, feeling the touch of your palms to your material bodysuit. Bringing your awareness to your breath. We'll take 3 breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through pursed lips, releasing any unnecessary tension, any thoughts of the past or the future, bringing ourselves into the present moment. Inhale. Inhale. And one more. Inhale. Exhaling all unnecessary tension, negativity, false narratives. Release them into the crystalline core of the earth to be transformed into the highest healing love. Now bringing your palms together, pressing against one another, feeling that embodied presence as you activate the heart center. Now I invite you, on an inhale, we're going to lift our arms up. Bring our palms together again, saluting that one love consciousness through the crown of the head. And as we exhale, bringing that energy into our heart, inviting it to flow through every cell of our being. And again, inhale. Exhale. And one more. Inhale. Exhale. First Yoga Sutra. Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Now yoga. One moment of silent meditation. Now gently opening your eyes, bringing your hands back to your knees, again touching your material bodysuit, your body, giving yourself a little massage as you call yourself back here into the present moment for your day. I hope this short meditation provides you with some inner peace and equanimity for your day. All my love. Om. Peace.